So you're ready to start your investing journey. You've heard about the importance of an emergency fund, but the idea of saving thousands of dollars from scratch can feel completely overwhelming. Where do you even begin? Welcome back to Ruscell AI Investor. In our last video, we talked about why an emergency fund is a non-negotiable step before you start investing. Today, we're giving you the exact step-by-step roadmap to build that fund, even if you're starting with zero. This isn't about instant results. It's about a sustainable, disciplined process. The first step is to figure out your goal. Don't just pick a random number. Your target is a specific amount based on your life. Grab a pen and paper or a spreadsheet. You need to calculate your essential monthly living expenses. This is your bare bones budget. Exclude things like eating out, entertainment, and shopping. The standard rule is to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of these essential expenses. 3 months is a great starting point for most people, and 6 months gives you an even stronger safety net, especially if you have a family or are self-employed. This is a crucial step. You need to separate this money from your everyday spending account. Do not keep it in your checking account where it's too easy to spend. You also shouldn't keep it in a stock or investment account because you need to be able to access it without market risk. The best place for an emergency fund is a high-yield savings account. These are offered by online banks and offer a much higher interest rate than a traditional bank, meaning your money works for you while it waits. It's secure, easily accessible, and out of sight, out of mind. This is the most important part of the entire process: automation. Humans are not good at consistently saving manually. We get tempted, we forget. So remove yourself from the equation. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your new emergency fund savings account every single payday, even if it's just $25 or $50 to start. The goal is to build a habit. You won't even miss the money. Over time, as your income increases, you can increase the transfer amount. Once you have your automatic system in place, you can accelerate your progress with found money. Windfalls. Did you get a tax refund, a work bonus, a generous gift for a birthday or holiday? Put a significant chunk of it directly into your emergency fund. Side hustles. Consider a temporary side hustle just to fund your emergency account. Delivering food, freelancing, or selling things you no longer need can give you a massive boost and get you to your goal much faster. Cutting back. Look for areas to cut expenses for a short period. Do a no-spend month or temporarily cut back on subscriptions and dining out. Every extra dollar you save goes straight to your fund. Building an emergency fund isn't glamorous and it takes discipline, but it's the bedrock of a stable financial life. It gives you the freedom to invest without fear and to weather any unexpected storm. It's the ultimate form of self-insurance. Don't skip this step. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, this is your starting line. Subscribe to Ruscell AI Investor for more actionable insights and strategies to help you build wealth the smart way. Your future self will thank you for it.